Welcome to Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being. This is number 6 in a series of 20 videos introducing you to our flower essence line based on our essence spectrum chart. Today we'll be talking about corn essence for mental vitality. Corn essence supports you in being always awake and ready, much like the kernels on a corn cob, representing fresh ideas and bursts of energy. For children, it helps with the study blahs or with resistance to cleaning up after themselves. Also for making new friends, moving to a new home, or starting a new school year. For pets, it supports their natural healing process after surgery. It also helps older animals feel and act younger again with a renewed interest in life. Corn essence enhances these qualities: energy, taking initiative in projects, enthusiasm, living fully in the moment, saying yes to life's challenges, and exuberant willingness for new beginnings. I'm reminded of a little 5-year-old girl who was given corn essence for the beginning of a new school year. The year was starting out a little rough for her because her father had taken a new job and was less available, and her new friend had moved away. So this was a time for her to be reinforced by the vitality of corn. The benefits of Spirit in Nature essences are greatly enhanced when using them with affirmations. If you wish, please repeat after me the corn essence affirmation. With boundless energy, I rise to greet the world. With boundless energy, I rise to greet the world. Thank you for visiting us online at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes. That's spirit-in-nature.com. We hope for you perfect well-being.